Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of Fundamentals of C Programming. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss program number 6 mentioned in the GTU BCA program list. So let's first discuss that what is the program. So the program is to compute or to convert a temperature that is given into a centigrade, and we have to convert that temperature into a Fahrenheit using the given formula. Okay. So for that I have to write a program. So in this program, I am including my two necessary libraries, that is a stereo.h and conio.h. Now I include my main method and CLR SCR. There are two temperature. One is in the form of the Celsius, and second is in the form of the Fahrenheit. So we require two variables. So, and I declare these as a float variable. Okay. Now I give message to the user to enter temperature into a Celsius. Okay. Now I have to uh, store that variable. So I write here scanf percentage f, and the variable name is ampersand c. Okay. Now I have to do the processing part. So I write the formula to convert Celsius into a Fahrenheit. That is f equal to 1.8 into c plus 32. Now I have to display the output, and the output is in the Fahrenheit, and the form of this output is a float. So I write here temperature in Fahrenheit is percentage f comma the variable name is f. Now if I compile this program, I have to enter temperature in Celsius. So my temperature is 12.5 degrees Celsius, and the temperature in Fahrenheit is 54.5 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So in this way you can solve the program number 6. Thank you.